This free tutorial will be showing you Telegram cloud storage online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. First step for Telegram cloud storage, open up the app. In this case I have Windows, but this will work for Windows, laptop, Mac, and PC, or computer, and even smartphone. Right click on the top left hand screen and you can create a new group or channel. In this case I've already created a channel. Then you can click create, you can add a profile picture and choose to name this whatever you would like. And right here we have our group. I basically just drag down a video clip and it's going to upload on Telegram. You can even add a caption if you would like, and you can even add an emoji and then click send. And this will basically upload to Telegram online cloud storage. You can drag up to 4 to 8 gigabytes, I believe, per month online completely for free. You can even choose to pin whatever it is that you would like. It says you would like to pin this message. And as you can see, we have now pinned a message or a document, and you can even choose to save the video or message, edit the video or message, forward, delete. You get the point, online completely for free.